All right, guys, good morning. We are going to be working on math lesson 15-4 today. So let me go ahead and I am going to show you guys my screen. Joelle, do you have a question?
You want to hear something?
Yeah. It sounds like a monkey's in your house. Uh-oh, I hope Pearson's not down. And it looks like 4 of you still haven't done your digital quick check, so make sure you do that, okay? All right, we are learning about inches, feet, and yards.
You can use a ruler to measure length. Look at the ruler. What units are shown on this ruler? Inches are shown on this ruler. About how long is this paper clip? This paper clip is about 1 inch. Look at this book. About how long is this book? This book is about 12 inches. How many inches are in 1 foot? There are 12 inches in 1 foot. Look at this yardstick. What units are shown on this yardstick? Inches and feet are shown on this yardstick. Look at this bat. About how long is this bat in feet? This bat is about 3 feet. How many feet are in 1 yard? There are 3 feet in 1 yard. Now that you know different units of measurement, let's estimate the length of an object. Look at this eraser. About how long do you think this eraser is?
Do you think it's about 1 inch, 1 foot, or 1 yard?
1 yard.
1
The
foot.
eraser is about 3 inches long. Now measure the eraser. About how long is the eraser? The eraser is about 2 inches long. Now you know how to measure objects using inches, feet, and yards.
All right, let's go to our reteaching. Don't worry if you don't have a yardstick. I know that you guys don't. So we're going to do our very best with what we have, okay? So inches, feet, and yard. So, and if we're just looking at inches, feet, and yard, inches is the smallest, then feet, then a yard, okay? This rope is about 1 inch long. This ribbon is about 1 foot long. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. And this scarf is about 1 yard long. And there are 3 feet in 1 yard. Okay. So this one, we're just estimating. Okay. How long do you think this $50 is? Do you think it's about 1 inch, 1 foot, or 1 yard?
About 1 yard.
Okay, so remember, an inch is about the length of a paper clip. An inch is about the length of a paper clip. A foot is about the length of a book. A foot is about a length of like a big book. and a yard is about the length of a baseball bat. So do you think a $50 is like a paper clip, your book, or a baseball bat?
Like a paper.
Like a paper clip. Very good.
Like
So
a paper clip.
you're gonna circle the first one. Okay, number 2. So look at that window. So think of about a window in your house. Do you think a window in your house is about an inch, the size of a paper clip, a foot, the size of your book, or a yard, about the size of a baseball bat? What do you guys think?
Yard.
A yard, very good. Because
Yard.
that window looks pretty big. It's not like a teeny tiny little window. It's a big window.
A yard.
Number 3. Okay, let's look at this soda bottle. Do you think this is probably okay, this is a soda bottle. Now, do you think that soda bottle is the size of an inch, like a paper clip, a foot, which is like a book, or a yard, which is like a baseball bat?
About a yard.
But very good. A yard would be way too big. An inch would be way too small. Oh, well, what do we know about a paper clip, guys?
It's about
An inch.
About an inch. Very good. And then the last one says number 4, about how long is this piece of tape? Would you guys say it's about 1 inch, about 2 inches, or about 6 inches?
About
About 6 inches.
I think it's about 6 inches too. Very good. All right, guys. What we're going to do is let's check out practice now. Let's check out the practice. Okay. So I'm going to put the answers in the chat for you guys. So number 1, we said about an inch. Oops. Number 2, we said about a yard. Number 3, we said about a foot. Number 4, we said about an inch. And then number 5, we said about 6 inches. All right, I'm going to move on to our practice now. And let's see what it's asking us. So number 1, circle the object that is about each length. So what would be about a foot? A stamp, a suitcase, or a hammer? And it gives us the first one.
a stamp.
It circles the first one. What would be about a foot? About the size of a book?
A painting.
A hammer.
Hammer.
So that is not a painting. This is a stamp. Have you guys ever like got mail and like have you ever gotten mail? It's
I
that-
got mail and I saw a stamp on a on a envelope that
Yes. It is like a sticker. It's like a sticker. Okay. Okay. Number 2, a yard. Which would be about a yard? A yard is like a baseball bat. Would it be the dresser? Would it be a tiny little baby caterpillar? Or would it be the size of your shirt?
the
A
dresser.
Very good.
Dresser.
Number 3, an inch. What would be the size about an inch? A paper clip, a basketball, a quarter, or a shovel?
A quarter. A quarter.
Number 3,
quarter.
measure from your fingertips, your elbow. So we're not going to do this one. We're going to skip it. However, if you have it, you guys can do it. So I'm going to show you guys how it's done. I'm going to find a paper clip because I know I have a paper clip. And then I'm also going to get my ruler. Okay. So what I'm just going to do is I am going to get a little notepad because it's pink and bright. Okay. So here is my paper clip. Okay, just pretend this is a paper clip. Now, Miss Park has a longer elbow than you guys do. From from your fingertips to your elbow. Mine is a lot longer than yours. So it's gonna look a little different. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first guess. I think it's going to be about 15 paper clips. So I'm gonna write 15. Now this is for Miss Park. You guys can do it for me. Just remember that, okay? Or you guys can do it yourself. So I'm gonna start at right here. 1, and then I'm gonna go down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess I can flip it like this. 7, 8, 9, 10. And then there's a little bit left, but it's not going to be halfway. So I'm just going to say 10. So it was about 10 paper clips. Now I'm going to use a standard unit, which is something that we can all have the same measurement of, which is going to be my inches. So here's my ruler. I'm going to start at my elbow. And okay, so it stops, the 12 stops right here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my finger there. I'm going to pick up my ruler. So I'm going to hold the finger there, pick up the ruler. And I'm going to, this might help if you had a person who was helping you. I'm going to move the ruler and put it right there. Okay. And then where does it stop? About at how much?
3.
Okay.
3.
Is it 3? Am I going to write 3 inches?
No.
No, because I had a whole 12. I used 12 and then I had to use my ruler again. So what is 12 plus 3?
15.
Ooh, so my elbow to my fingertip is about 15 inches. Okay, so if you want to try that at home, you can. No worries if you don't, you can skip it. Number 5, Sandy measures the length of a hockey stick. She says it is 4 units long. What do you think she used? So think of a hockey stick. If you guys have never seen a hockey stick is very long. It's very long. So do you think she used cubes? And she says it's 4 units. So do you think she used 4 cubes, 4 inches, 4 feet, or 4 yards?
4
4
yards.
yards.
4 yards would be the size of 4 baseball bats.
4 feet.
4 baseball bats would be way too long. No one can hold that hockey stick. But 4 of these, if you put 4 rulers together, yeah, I think that would be the size of a hockey stick. So 4 feet is the right answer. And number 6, what is the height of the water bottle? Do you guys think it's 9 cubes? 9 inches? 9 inches would be like to right here. So like to here. Or do you think it's 9 feet, which are 9 of these, or 9 units?
9 inches. 9 inches.
9
9
inches.
inches.
Thank you. If you look at my water bottle, I have a pretty big water bottle, and my water bottle is about, it is actually about 9. It's like, well, it's like closer to 10 inches, but yeah, a water bottle would be about 9 inches. Very good, guys. All right, we are going to be doing a digital quick check today. So let me go ahead and assign that to you guys. Actually, let's review the answers first. So here's your digital quick check. Choose the answer, which is about 1 inch in length. So 1 inch is like a paper clip. Would it be the road, the bike, the nail, or the beach ball?
Nail.
Nail. Okay, let's keep going. Number 2. Choose the best answer, which is about 1 foot in length. 1 foot is the size of like your book or a ruler. Would you say a house, a ski, an ant, or a notebook?
A notebook.
Notebook.
Very good. Number 3.
Choose the best answer. Which is about a yard in length?
So a yard in length is about the size of a baseball bat. Your book, the leg of a table,
The
or a
leg of
baseball.
the table.
The leg of a table.
Oh, and there's a pen. It would be
leg
the
of a
leg of a
table.
table.
The leg of
a
table.
Choose the best answer. Which is about 6 inches in length?
6 inches is about half your book. So it's about half the ruler. So what do you guys think would be about half a ruler? A chain, a ladder, a tree, or a couch?
A chain.
A couch
chain.
would be way too long. A couch would be like 2 or 3 baseball bats. So that would be like 2 or 3 yards. Okay, number 5.
Choose the best answer. Which is about 4 feet in length?
4 feet is going to be 4 rulers. 4 feet is about 4 rulers or 4 books. Would you say a flower, a skyscraper, a rug, or a squirrel?
A rug.
A rug.
A rug.
Good job, guys. All right, you guys are going to answer that on your own now. So I'm going to assign it to you guys. You guys are going to work on that right now. I'm going to help those of you guys who need to know where to go. All right, so what you're going to do is you are going to click on the waffle. So this is what we call the waffle. It's like these 9 circles that are up here next to your like profile picture. I don't know why. Yep, right there. So click on that. Click on that waffle for me. There you go. And then there's going to be a little pop-up image that pops up. Hopefully yours has the Savvis. So what I want you to do is click on that gray bar and I want you to hold it down and I want you to slide it all the way down. You're going to scroll down. So click on that waffle again. And I want you to scroll all the way down in that waffle. Try clicking it again. Yes, Ava.
When I go to Savvis, when I click what you put there, it's just the video from
You're right. I assigned the wrong one. I'm sorry. Let me delete it. Sorry, guys. I put the wrong one in. Thank you for catching that. Let me delete that one. Okay, I just put the new one, the correct one up. All right, Abigail, can you go ahead and click on the waffle? Click on that waffle again. In that waffle, I want you to scroll all the way down.
you gave me the video.
You were right, Abigail. Go back to the bottom. Okay, now click on that one that says Savvis Easy Bridge. Click on that one and open it up. I know I gave you guys the wrong one, so refresh your screen and it should pop up the right one. Click on Savvis Easy Bridge.
Mrs. Park.
Yes.
Yes, Park.
Can we download a game at the computer or no?
You have to ask your parents about that. Okay,
Oh.
Abigail, it's okay. So you got to go back into that little waffle. So you see that little small page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the little waffle. The one that popped up at the, yeah, scroll down in there, inside there. Oh, you got to open up that waffle again. Open up that waffle again, Abigail.
Miss Park, how do we get?
Scroll all the way down, Abigail. Good, you're almost there. Okay, now click on Savvis Easy Bridge. I'm trying to put a purple dot there. I want you to click where my purple dot is. Good. Now it's going to ask you to log into your account.
Miss Park,
Mm-hmm.
how do we get to there?
So I'm showing Abigail right now. So you got to click on the waffle. You have to click on Gmail, I think. And then once you click on Gmail, you need to scroll all the way down to Savvis Easy Bridge.
Miss Park, I finished my test.
Okay, perfect. If you are done with your test and you have no missing work from last week, then you are free to go. I will see you at either 12 o'clock if you're an ELD student, or if you're not an ELD student, I will see you at 12:45.
Miss Park.
Okay, see you at 12:45. Miss Park,
Miss Park.
Yes.
send me a
But what?
so
One
like,
week?
No, not until you're done with your work. Yes, if you want to be put in a breakout room, I'll let you guys. Give me a
Okay,
second.
how do we get there though?
Is this Matthew?
mm,
Hey, Matthew, go to
Yes.
Google Classroom. Or go to Gmail. You already have Gmail opened up. Go to your Gmail.
Miss Park.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now scroll all the way down, click on Savvis Easy Bridge.
So did you send the wrong link to
Yeah, you
math?
need to, if you update your thing, it'll show the right one now.
I don't know how to refresh my screen.
Just exit out and then open it.
Miss Park, I'm done with
Okay.
the test.
So Abigail, what you're gonna do now is you're gonna click on Envision Math California.
Miss Park, are we coming back?
Okay.
Miss Park, are we coming back?
At 12:45 for history.
Miss Park, you didn't finish saying how to
Miss Park, I'm finished with my test.
Okay, good job. Hey. And then once you go there, so you got to open this up, Dad. Come on, Matthew. We've been in class for so many weeks now. Good job. So yours is going to look a little different than other people. So you're going to click on my work, Matthew. Click on my work, and then there we go. Go ahead and take that test.
Hey, Miss Park.